Welcome to the Account Solutions. This channel is dedicated to bring you solutions to your everyday tasks in areas of bookkeeping, business administration, accounting, and taxation. If you like what we're doing here, kindly click on the subscription button and support us. Enjoy the rest of this tutorial. Welcome back. This is a continuation of our video tutorial on the bakery template. Now, let me explain the dashboard to you. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tables here. Now, these tables are doing almost the same thing, but slightly different. The first table is for you to take your inventory. So we have system dates. You can't change this date. It's automatic. It's today's date. So tomorrow it will be 5th of October tomorrow. Or you can change this date for previous stock balance. Now, today's count, I want to count stock for today. If I finish counting physical count, I can just put in, what I have counted here. For example, you can see the status. I have excess stock here. That means I have more stock physically than I have in the system. The system is showing zero balance, but the physical count is showing I have 1. So I type them manually, but these are automated, showing you, giving you a status, SS. The accurate means that there is no difference. Shortage, I have more in the system than I have physically. So the users or the accountant needs to explain the reason for the difference. Okay, needs to explain the reason for the difference here, and you can now make a copy. If you click on make a copy, it should give you a copy of this dashboard, in another workbook. We'll come to that later. Now this one here just gives you the stock balance as of today, real-time system control. You produce this quantity, you've packaged this quantity, and these are unpackaged as of today. That is what it's showing you. So now we have 0 stock balance for EW Fresh. We have 10 on package. But now call those in packaging unit to kindly package this 10 and send across to the sales department because we need them there. Okay, so just it helps you to track how many you have on package. So if a customer is placing an order, you have only 10 on package items. Which when they package it, you now have 10 available finished products for sale. Now, we can go to the third table. It's a bit tricky here. Now here we are trying to capture transaction, production, and package items for a particular day. Now the day starts from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. the next day, and that next day we have 7 a.m. 7 p.m. So you see that the system here captures from the night shift and the morning shift of second. Okay, night shift and morning shift of second. So this is all these items here happened in the night shift of second. Why this one happened in the morning shift of second? If I change this date to 3rd, it will change my information. On the 3rd, there was only a production of 1,000 units on the morning shift, and each shift was packaged. Nothing was done on the night shift. So it just shows you, that figure. We'll go to the 4th. We have nothing was produced or packaged on the 4th, both 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. and 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. So this is just how it works here. Now this table controls this table. This table consolidates both morning and evening shift. Give you total production, total package, and total unpackaged for 4th of October. I change this back to 2nd of October. Now this gives us a total amount. So on the 2nd, I have 150 produced, 140 package, and 10 unpackaged for both the morning and the evening shifts. And this is based on real-time posting. Okay. Now the final one is almost the same thing with this table. Just gives you second without selecting any of these shifts. Okay. Here enables you to see what happens per shift, but here is just per day, per transaction date. Why this first one is per system date. So this system date is automatic. Transaction date, you have to key in that date when you are posting. But system date is from the system. The date you are posting it picks it as a system date. But transaction date is the date of the transaction in the receipt or the docket you want to post. That is what you put on the transaction date. Finally, look at the other reports available here. Navigate and view transactions. Here, all you need to do here is just to click on this refresh button. It will refresh all the tables. We have so many tables here that are doing different things per time. The first table is production logbook. It gives you a detailed analysis of detailed transaction listing of all you've produced per time. The date, posting date, posted by supervisor, the control number or the logbook number, the product and the quantity that was produced. So you just see your production report per time. You have option to filter this. You can't click here because it is locked. So you click on filter, and now you will filter based on the date. So you can see for 3rd of October, it was only one item that was produced at 1,000 quantity. If you check this funnel, this filter button, clear it, you see for all production for the date. As you keep posting, the date will be appearing here. So this is transaction date based on the receipt or docket or control number. This is the posting date that is automated from the system. Now next, you can go to this various report with these hyperlinks here. So next is the package product database. You can see these are all that are packaged, based on this particular date of posting time. The same thing for other database. We have from other branches. Click here to go back. We have from sales data. You can see all your sales for different dates. Now the sales posting date pick the time of the posting. So you have a lot of dates appearing here because it's picking the exact time it was posted. So you want to check transaction dates, just click here. You will see different dates and when they are posted. So you can see all this. Click on them and see them. Clear this filter by checking on this, and that is it. So you can go back. You can navigate to auction. You see the auction sales, the same thing. There's no difference. Everything here comes from the database that is being built in this template. So thank you for your time. If you need more information on this template, you can also reach across to us. We have come to the end of this section. Thank you for staying with us. Kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you will get notified when we release subsequent videos. Cheers.